Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we solve guys this screen color problem in our infinix phone device. Friends, you have guys your phone guys the screen color problem. So friends you want to solve guys this problem guys. So friends, you don't know how to solve this problem. So friends, how can we solve today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, you can solve guys this setting this problem from your accessibility settings. So we will search here guys accessibility setting guys. Then we will search here guys accessibility setting, and guys you will have to on guys your phone accessibility setting guys. Tap here to on it. After on guys you can see this tab setting. Friends, click on this phone color and version setting. So friends, we can solve this color and version problem from here. So guys we will off this setting, and friends come back. Friends, you can see screen color problem will solve. Friends, you can use your phone without this color version problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to solve screen color problem. So bye guys.